Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to make an AI music video. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now to start, let's go to sounddraw.io to get free music that we can use on our music video. Stop searching for the song you need. Create it. Royalty-free music, AI generated for you. You can click here to create music, or you can download music that is generated by an AI. Create unlimited music. Simply choose the mood, the genre, and the length. Our AI will generate beautiful songs for you. You can click here to start creating. You can also adjust the music to your needs. Customize the songs, make an intro shorter or change the position of the chorus. Match the song to your video, not the other way around. You can start customizing. It is also worry-free because no copyright strikes. Tired of YouTube copyright strikes? Nothing to worry about with our music. You can create music here. There's also unique music for unique people. You can tell your story. SoundDraw is a game changer. It happened so many times that I found a cool song I couldn't use because the intro was too long, or it went full power just when I had a quiet scene in my video. With SoundDraw, I can edit a song to match with my video. And what's good is you can try SoundDraw for free. Here's our straightforward pricing. You can subscribe at a personal plan at $16.99 per month. Everything is free, personal and commercial use, download up to 50 songs per day, YouTube and social media, corporate videos, web ads, TV and radio commercials, podcast, games, and apps. Then, you can also subscribe for free. You can join for free at $0 forever. You can generate unlimited songs and bookmark songs. Permanent license for all creatives, video content, YouTube and social media, TV, movies, web ads, corporate videos, live broadcasting, audio content, podcast, radio programs and ads, guided meditations, audiobooks, and music streaming. Any content such as games, apps, NFT, store BGM, and events. You can keep the license to use downloaded songs even you unsubscribe. Personal and commercial use, same license no matter your content reach. If your video gets 100 million views, we won't ask for more money. There's a footnote here that only if you add your vocals or instruments. So let's go back and join for free. Click here. Welcome to SoundDraw. Help us improve your experience. You have to answer these two questions. What will you use SoundDraw's music for? And do you make money out of that content? After that, you can now click on Continue. Here are the available music you can download. You can search for mood, genre, theme, length, tempo, and instruments. So let's try this one. After that, if you want that music, you can now click on Download. After downloading the music, we can now go to Lexica to find some images. You can generate image from Lexica by writing. Here, we can see the sample images that we can use for inspiration. You can see that it has a good graphics. Now let's go to the top and create our own. Here you can edit the dimensions 768 by 1152. You can also edit the advanced settings. Now, All you have to do is to describe your image. So let's say a cat playing with a butterfly on a garden. Then click on Generate. You can also add text and blurry. So let's wait a little second. And here we can see our generated image here. You can see a cat with a butterfly, and they are on a garden. A cat playing with a butterfly on a garden. So let's try to pick this one and then click on download. And after downloading the image, the next thing we can do is go to Kyber.ai. Here, you can make your imagination real. Transform your ideas into the visual stories of your dreams with our state-of-the-art AI generation engine. You can enter your email to get started, or join us on Discord. You can see the sample animation here. You can start with your own image. No need for a speak of inspiration. Start with a selfie, a picture of your cat, a landscape, or your favorite memory. You can also direct your music video, upload a song, define your subject and style, and create the music video of your dreams. Master the same technologies used by our resident artists in our studio. You can add a sketch, charcoal, graphic novel, or you can type on your own. It also has simple and intuitive controls. You can control the camera movement of your video to shift perspectives. You can also make your video longer and see where your imagination takes you. Now, you can unleash your imagination, the art of storytelling, instantly. So here you have to sign up with your email, and each video you'll create will be saved here. You only have to upload your image and then describe what video you want to look like. And after that, you can also upload your music. You can now click on Create your first video to get started. You can also choose a plan that works for you. You can create a video for free. It's all free with 30 credits for approximately 30 seconds, but it has a Kyber watermark. A maximum of 10-second videos, prompt to video, upload images, any aspect ratio, and default boomerang videos. And that's how you can create an AI music video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.